This is how I use candle profiling from daily to H4 to H1 to know exactly what price is gonna do. And this is how I use it, or I used it today to know exactly what today was gonna do. So I gave in the free Discord a signal for a trade that went to full TP today, and I only share the high probability trades in the Discord, right? And I will walk you through how I got that trade today, because in the Discord I only take high probability trades. Okay, so but before we start the video, let's talk about all the deals, guys, as always. So April prop firm deals. So Lucid is going 50% off for the first two users, then 40%. Tradify is back with 40% off and all the new accounts. Okay, funded futures are 30% on Pro, 20% on Rapid, but today only the 25k Rapid accounts. If you buy one and pass it, you will get one for free, but it's only for today, right? Bullnox, the cheapest accounts in the game for the new starters. So this is where you learn how to trade futures. Then you start taking the other firms. Okay, so it's 89% off, aka the 50k is only 19 bucks. Okay, so this is 19 bucks you pay for your emotions and know if you can actually trade. So this is where you learn. E8 is going 40% off, so this is also a good deal. And Blue Guardians are 60% off. Alpha 15. And if you want to trade copy all of them with trade copy with my code, you will get 30% off the first month and then 1 week for free. Okay, so if you used my code Diogenes to buy anything of this, I'm giving away 10 25k accounts, right? So just let me know in the DM, so I will get you in the giveaway. Okay, so thanks, by the way, guys, to all the guys that use my code and everything. Okay, you are giving me the strength to keep these videos coming, right? Because if you can see the views, right, they are not encouraging. Okay, but I will help even 30 guys, or if I can help 30 people, I will do it. Okay, all right. So Monday we opened in a daily fair value gap, right? So we gap it down and then open or closed above, right? So this is for me a CRT, or a closer above the Friday candle. Okay, so this is still a CRT, okay, or a C2, right? So this is a C2, right? And now we can know that C3 will expand. Okay, so we are still in ES. Let's go back to NQ actually, right? Same thing, by the way. So this is a C2, right? And this is our C3. Okay, now we know that candle 3 will be bullish with a high probability. Okay, then when this daily candle opened, I want it to be an open, low, high, and then close. Okay, so what I want is actually, I want 4 hours to be like this, then the candle to open, down, manipulate, close, and I want it to be London, right? And then New York will be the continuation. Okay, these are the H4 candles, by the way. Okay, sometimes all of them will be the manipulation, right? Even London. Then New York will take all of these liquidities, close above as a C2, and then start going up, right? So this is the logic, right? It's so easy. People will make it very hard, right? With all the different names and stuff, but it is actually so easy. Basically, you just wait for a H4 CRT, but you don't trade the second candle. You wait for the third candle. Okay, now let's go back, right? So London, right? London, we had the C2, right? If you can see this candle, right? Let me zoom in. We manipulated it slow and closed above, right? We also manipulated this candle with SMT with ES, right? Which is even higher probability, okay? So this candle now that will open will be a C3, right? And how do we trade the C3? It's so easy actually, guys. Look, we need open or we need an order block continuation, like actually our FVG or something like that, okay? So we wait for price to dip into a fair value gap, then we close above these consecutive candles, take the retest and target something mechanical like 2R, okay? This is entry number one, right? Something like that. And or you wait for a low to be created, then run it, then say ESD, then you take your 2R. And if we have any kind of SMT at these lows, it will be even better, right? So what happened is in this time, if you can see, we created this low, right? Not only we created this low, but as you can see, we had this SMT with ES, right? And we also add SMT with this low with YM. So this was a kind of double stage SMT. So I told the Discord, if somebody wanted to buy or a closure above these candles will be bullish bias for the session, okay? Which is what happened. And 1 hour was given just before news and 2 hour was given after, right? So if you go or if we go back to the Discord, you will see how I actually called that move, right? And it was a high probability trade. This is why I called it on the Discord. I don't call low probability trades, okay? So this is my channel. You want to make sure you are following it and making notifications in it, right? So this was the analysis, and this was how I told them that this will probably be candle 3, and we had some daily highs at doll or draw on liquidity. This was the signal, right? Say ESD. 1 hour was given, and then 2 hour was given, right? And then we took other bullish trades because we knew that the bias was bullish, okay? Now, let's go back to actually our... This was, by the way, market open, okay? Now let's go and do the same thing, right? Look at what happened. We had this candle, 8 o'clock. We took it slow into a fair value gap key level, right? CRT vibes or candle 2 vibes. CRT vibes, but we don't trade actually the C2, okay? We just wait for the C3, okay? So we know that we have a high probability that this C3 will be bullish, right? Okay, so going back to the M15, you can see that we opened the 10 o'clock candle opened just above a M15 fair value gap, right? And we love our M15 fair value gap just after market opens, right? So this is how I made it, guys. So simple for you guys, not knowing any of this and still taking a trade when you see the first fair value gap, okay? So this was our first fair value gap, okay? So we know that this candle will be bullish, so it was so easy. We had to rely on the universal model, right? Let me show you the SMT. So as you can see, we took the low of the candle into the M15 fair value gap, but ES didn't touch the fair value gap. So it was so easy, right? So here is the SMT plot. The indicator is given the SMT, and we know what is our CESD, right? This is how I make it so easy for you guys, right? So this is our 2R. So this is the trade everybody in the Discord took, right? I know. You guys are so lucky, right? So you can take crazy trades, right? Not knowing any of the profiling, right? But if you can look closely, this trade was actually a C2 into expansion, right? So this is also candle profiling, but you are taking it or CRT without even knowing it, right? But the universal model, the rules of the universal model, they are just amazing, right? It rarely fails, right? And you take trades without knowing them. All right. Now let's test out something. Okay. So if this is candle 2, right, we can trade candle 3, right? Now what we'll have to do is go to M1, right, and wait for what? Wait for the continuation or the intra candle change in state of delivery. This or this, right? Now, what happened is we got this change, okay? So you can take a retest of the order block and target 2 Rs, okay? Let's see what happened, right? So as you can see, guys, it doesn't always work. And this is why, especially if you want the 2 Rs, right? And this is why you always rely on risk management, okay? And this is why the universal model is way better than candle profiling, right? Because this as well was a universal model. And this is why you got stopped out, because this law, the law of that C3 made, you will see it, made a new fair value gap on M15, right? Okay, so this is the second universal model of the day, right? You have your SMT. Here you go. You have your CSD. Here you go. But the indicator plotted also this CSD, right? This SMT. So this is also now a CSD. And you put your stop aggressively under here if you are about that life, right? If you want a small stop, right? 3 Rs to the high, or here you take classic universal model, higher probability, and your 2R is hit again, okay? So this is just to show you how I use the candle profiling to get or have buys, right? So this is how I get buys usually, right? And yeah, if you like, guys, this content, if you want me to talk or to explain more about this daily profiling stuff or this candle profiling stuff, I can do it, right? I can do it. I know all the secrets as well, right? Just keep supporting the channel, like, comment, and I will give you guys more sauce, okay? As always. All right, so this is already 14 minutes in the video, right? And yeah, actually, another universal model just printed here and gave the TP, right? So this is crazy, guys. Universal model is back, guys. The good price action is back, okay? So this is another one that gave another 2 Rs, right? Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will speak to you guys in the next one. And yeah, ciao, ciao.